You can view colors and layers in many different ways in SignCut Draw. For looks, for layer purposes, and for sorting objects, you will find ways to improve your workflow by understanding these usages. To change the color of an object, select it. Then there are several options for setting its color. The first one is to select a color from the palette. Or if you have used a color previously in the project, it will appear in the custom color palette. You can also change the color palette to a continuous color swatch, allowing more precision when picking which colors to use. Another way is to right-click on a layer in the layer column. The selected objects are then moved to that layer and will change color. If you control-click a layer button, you can set the precise values. You can set the precise values for that color with either CMYK or RGB values. Since you are changing the color of the layer here, all objects in the layer will get the new color. The field view can be turned on and off. Certain functions in SignCut Draw will automatically turn it on or off to display changes.